All right, guys, today we're learning how to play Fairytale of New York by the Pogues on piano without reading music. Let's take a listen. All right, guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Let's gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it. You just need to choose the right lessons, and you need to know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. If you are a member of WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download the sheet I have right here. I've done the whole thing. In fact, it's a remake. I did this song many years ago. Video quality isn't that good. Now I'm doing it in a better video quality. So let's get to it. I'm going to change the camera since my beautiful wife isn't here to change the camera for me today. There's our money shot, we call it. All right, so we're learning to play without reading music, and been doing that for 30 years. It's just for some of you, reading music is a roadblock and just a big frustration, keeping you from the great music you want to play. So we just kind of bypass that and get right into playing. Right hand's going to start with an A above middle C, all right, and then D, A, B on the same hand, A. Keep that A with the same finger. So we'll have fingers 1, 3, and 4. So A and then D, A, B together. Left hand on a G. I'm going to do a G octave. That's going to fill it out a little better for piano solo. And then a 2-finger on the G after that. So it's bum, bum. All right? And then A and C sharp here with fingers 2 and 4. A sharp just means you go to the right to the next key, whether it's a black key or a white key. So this is a C, so this is a C sharp. And then A, D after that. So it's... All right, now we're going to have kind of move right here. We got to stay in the same place for this part. Okay, we're in the learning stage right now. When you're in the learning stage, make sure you take little sections, repeat those sections till you get them down. Then try to do another section, get that down, then put them together. Set yourself up for success. All right, if I can do a little part of it, then I can do the whole thing eventually. All right, so the left hand I'm going to move down to a D octave. Some of you might just want a single note. That's fine. I'm going to do an octave. I just like how it fills it out a little more. Right hand, an E and an A to a D. So it's E and A with fingers 2 and 5 to a D. All right, so let's add that. You might notice my pedal is changing quite a lot because I don't want all those melody notes to blur. Okay, okay, now here the D stays. The right hand's going to do a B, D, G with fingers 1, 2, 5, then an F sharp. So this is an F, and F sharp is here. All right, and then A, C sharp, E with fingers 1, 2, 3. Left hand on an A. So another A, and then a D, and then if I scoot that over a little bit, you can see A, D again, and a D. So that's the kind of the opening phrase there. So if I start right here. All right, so let's put it all together now and go. All right, it's a great Christmas song. I've got 34 Christmas songs now on the website of the favorite, most popular songs, great arrangements. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll talk to you later.